Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to announce a special giveaway, and it's all based on being grateful and thankful for what you have. So I just want to start by saying I am grateful for you and so many other great things in my life. My husband, my beautiful home, my beautiful little dog, my children, my family, my friends, but most importantly, I'm thankful for you. And so I am partnering with Counterculture DIY, and we're doing another Black Friday giveaway. 2 people will win a gift card for $50. And with $50, you can purchase probably 32 ounces of resin and a little bag of bling, or it might cover the shipping and everything. So choose to be grateful. I'm grateful. And just to show you, several projects that I have done, here's the one that I always get. It is the medium viscosity artist resin. It's not the casting resin, it's the artist resin. And you can get pretty much up to a 1/4 inch thick on this and have great results. So just to show you some examples of what I've used it for, to make total coasters. And I just sold this, but the beautiful floral effect with the 3D petals. These were the ones that I just did, the lapis lazuli looking, the diamond edge coasters. That's all resin. I just made this wine bottle holder that is made with the Counterculture resin, and it fits over a wine bottle neck, and you hang 6 glasses from it. It's nice and rock hard. You can coat any kind of your coasters, ceramic. This happens to be glass coasters that I did blooms on, sealed it with resin, cork on the back, nice and sturdy, heat resistant to 500 degrees. That is major. And also I did a couple little dishes. The other was a koi pond, but this one is silk flowers that I put into resin, and I left it raised just a little bit in places just to have the petals kind of popping out of the resin that looks like water. And I hand painted the leaves and details, and the resin totally covers all of that. So it can be washed, and you can put a candle on it, jewelry, keys. Just leave it sitting on a table or on a little easel or a plate hanger or anything. So this resin is so versatile for so many things. Freeform bowls, freeform trays. The sky is the limit. I love that resin, and I'm really so honored that they are choosing to give a new giveaway. We just did one recently, and now we're getting 2 more winners. I'm going to give away 1 winner on the YouTube video, 1 winner in my Facebook group. And that will be below the video. If you're looking at this on YouTube, it'll be below the video in the link if you want to come join my Facebook group. And you will have to comment on this video there in my Facebook group, or you comment below the video here on YouTube, and I will pick 2 winners, and they have to be in the United States. Unfortunately, that's the rules from Counterculture. So it'll be United States winners, and if for some reason I randomly pick, it will be a random computer thing. If I were to pick someone outside of the US, I will try to give you at least an art print of mine or something like that. So comment below what you're grateful for. And, like I said, I am so grateful for you and for y'all to be a part of my life and to keep encouraging me and allowing me to encourage you and inspire you with my art. Been doing it for 20 years, and I love doing it. I just finished the V tutorial. So check it out if you want to learn how to paint. I show you how to paint this step by step with no experience. No experience, okay? And the last thing is if you are interested in the art calendar that I have made. That link will be below the video as well. And that is 13 of my art designs in a calendar for $22. And I have ordered a box in and I've sold over half of them. So there's a limited supply. Get your order in for an art calendar 2021 for a fantastic year that we hope to have. So good luck. Comment on what you're grateful for. Share that with me. And this will end on Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay? Yeah, it has to end Wednesday night because Thursday is Thanksgiving and Counterculture is having a Black Friday sale. And so they're going to have a great sale, and then you'll have the chance to win this gift card that you can use during their Black Friday event that will probably end sometime Friday. Whenever their Black Friday event begins and ends, just you'll have to keep an eye on that on the Counterculture DIY website. But this is just a 24-hour contest. So you need to join it now, share with anybody that you think might be interested, your friends or family, and make your comment so that qualifies you for a chance to win a gift card, $50 gift card. That is super fantastic. So good luck. Be grateful. Tell me why you're grateful. And I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.